God designed everyone in the whole universe to always connect with the energies, except for the human beings. Human beings have different mechanism. That is, they receive the energy only in few circumstances. One is when they are relaxed. Second thing is when they have bhakti or devotion, respect towards God. When they go to temple, they receive. There also they receive. When you relax, you receive. When you sleep, you receive. When you relax, when you have respect, reverence. And third thing is when you share. Sharing is a fundamental thing for the receiving. When you share happily, automatically you want to receive more. Sthira Sukhasana, you receive. The more you relax, the more you receive. The more you share, the more you receive. The more you have the bhakti bhava, reverence, respect, the more you receive. These three things you have, na? Sthira Sukhasana and relaxation, first point. Second point is sharing. The more we share, the more we receive. This open eyes meditation is for the people who are having donation mind, dhyana guna, who has that kind of a donation mindset. They receive tremendously. They get a lot. You need to connect with the whole universe and share the whole universal energies. And respect the master is also seeing the God in the master. That respect if you have, of course you receive more. These three qualities are important. Sthira Sukhasana, stable and comfortable posture, and relaxation. The more you relax, the more you receive. First point. Second point is, the more you share, the more you receive immediately. The moment you are sharing, immediately you are receiving. How can you share continuously? Yes, you continuously need to keep on receiving, then only you keep on sharing. Right? So keep on connected to the oneness and keep on sharing. Receive and share oneness. Third point is having the reverence. That's the secret of our scriptures. Hinduism success is Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. Seeing the God in the master. With that reverence only, you get a lot of energies. If you feel that I am with the God, if you feel, then you get a lot of energy. If you don't feel, you get a little bit only. So your breath is your Guru, always. Till I am breathing, I am with my Guru. If you have the reverence, you keep on receiving the energies.